Hey guys, I'm Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble the Porsche design portable hard drive. This is from Lacie, and it's a USB 3.0 portable hard drive. As you can see from the outside, there are no screws, but it's quite easy to take it apart in case your USB 3.0 is not working. What you need to do is get a screwdriver or a knife, something really thin, and on this side where it says Porsche design, start pushing it and prying your screwdriver at the same time. One side, and it just pops out. This is because when we put a screwdriver, you see those little clips here. Once we push this plastic in, the clips will release and the hard drive swaps out. From here you can use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws, and you're all set. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you click like, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.